Hello, I am Chrisanne from Florida. I am holistic therapist. I work with past life therapy, mentor therapy. Yeah, your guardian angel. You can reach him or her, talk directly with them, receive personal advisors. Is simply a wonderful and true therapy. I invite you in this video to know more about you, especially you, if you have some special sensations as a medium, if you suspect you are a mediumship, come to this community, subscribing this channel because I have a lot to share with you. Since 2008, I work as holistic therapist. I already prepare groups, spiritual groups, to act for the benefit of each one and their families. I published a book about past life therapy and spiritual mentor. I continuously make videos on YouTube. Since 2009, I have around 500 videos on YouTube speaking about these wonderful issues. I love to talk about this, and finally I feel confident to share everything I know to you, my American community, to you who speak and understand in English. How I feel pleasure, how I have pleasure to talk about that. And please feel free to interact with me, leaving in the comments your questions, your aspirations, your criticism. Everything will be very welcome to me. To support other persons living in hard times because don't know what to do with their treasures, their capability to help themselves when they help others, using their sixth sense. Yes, the capability to see beyond the physical eyes, the capability to hear beyond our ears, to read our mental screen and verbalize what the spiritual dimension has to share to us, and open our horizon for we be able to make better choice in our lives. Give you a chance to know about yourself in a state awake with me as therapist to support you to know about yourself. It's impossible to know about you when you stay only with conventional therapies. It's necessary you consider the spiritual dimension because that is the real iceberg which you need to know. Everything you can see and hear with your physical body is only the little point, little top of the iceberg. But everything submerged in the ocean, you have to know, because that makes the total difference to help you to be happier, more prosper, more useful to yourself in your universe. See you next video.